Welcome to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for home decor ideas and inspiration. After the holiday buzz, it's time to transform your living room into a serene, luxurious winter retreat. Join us as we guide you through creating a cozy and elegant space perfect for the colder months. Embracing a neutral palette. Start by decluttering any lingering Christmas decorations, then embrace a sophisticated neutral color scheme. Think soft grays, warm creams, and delicate whites for an instantly calming and elegant foundation. These colors create a tranquil backdrop for your winter sanctuary. A neutral palette offers endless possibilities for layering textures and subtle hints of color. Consider painting an accent wall or adding large pieces of furniture in these calming tones. This approach ensures your space feels cohesive and effortlessly chic, ready for winter's embrace. Layering textures for warmth. Introduce warmth and depth by layering various textures. Plush velvet pillows, chunky knit throws, and faux fur rugs invite coziness and luxury. These elements are essential for a truly inviting winter atmosphere. Don't shy away from mixing different materials like wool, cashmere, and silk. Each adds its own unique tactile dimension, enhancing the overall comfort and visual appeal. This thoughtful layering creates a rich, sensory experience perfect for chilly evenings. Imagine sinking into a sofa adorned with an array of soft, inviting textiles. The interplay of textures not only looks beautiful, but also makes your living room feel incredibly snug and welcoming. It's all about creating an irresistible urge to relax. Incorporating natural elements. Bring the outdoors in with natural elements to add an organic touch to your winter decor. Think decorative branches, pine cones, and even minimalist floral arrangements. These elements connect your space to the serene beauty of winter. Consider incorporating wooden accents like a rustic coffee table or a mantelpiece adorned with natural garlands. The earthy tones and textures provide a refreshing contrast to soft fabrics. This balance creates a harmonious and grounded aesthetic. Even simple additions like a bowl of polished stones or a display of dried flowers can elevate your room's natural appeal. These subtle touches reinforce the serene, winter retreat vibe without overwhelming the space. They add life and tranquility. Ambient lighting for a cozy glow. Lighting is key to creating a cozy winter ambience. Use multiple light sources like floor lamps, table lamps, and candles to cast a warm, inviting glow. Avoid harsh overhead lighting for a more intimate feel. Install dimmer switches to easily adjust the brightness according to your mood and time of day. Fairy lights draped across shelves or a fireplace can also add a magical, soft twinkle. These details make a significant difference. Scented candles with warm, comforting aromas like vanilla, sandalwood, or pine further enhance the cozy atmosphere. The combination of soft light and inviting scents transforms your living room into a true sanctuary. Adding luxurious accents. Elevate your winter retreat with a few luxurious accents. Metallic touches in gold or silver on picture frames, vases, or decorative trays add a sophisticated sparkle. These small details make a big impact. Consider a statement piece like a mirrored side table or a velvet ottoman to introduce an element of grandeur. These luxurious additions don't need to be excessive. A few carefully chosen items can transform the entire room. Don't forget the power of art. A large, abstract painting with a muted color scheme or a collection of framed black and white photographs can provide a refined focal point. Choose pieces that evoke calm and sophistication. Cozy nooks and reading corners. Create dedicated cozy nooks and reading corners where you can unwind. A comfortable armchair by a window adorned with a warm throw and a good book becomes an irresistible escape. Ensure these areas have their own soft lighting, perhaps a stylish floor lamp or a small table lamp. A nearby side table for your cup of tea or coffee completes the perfect setup for relaxation and quiet contemplation. Think about adding a small bookshelf or a stack of your favorite magazines within easy reach. These personal touches make your cozy corners truly inviting and functional, perfect for enjoying winter afternoons. Infusing comfort with scents and sounds. Engage all your senses by infusing comfort with delightful scents and soothing sounds. An essential oil diffuser with calming blends like lavender or cedarwood can set a tranquil mood. Play soft, instrumental music or ambient nature sounds, like a crackling fireplace or gentle snowfall, to enhance the serene atmosphere. These auditory elements contribute significantly to overall relaxation and peace. Consider a small, elegant water feature for a subtle, soothing sound. The gentle trickle of water can be incredibly calming and adds an unexpected layer of luxury to your winter living room retreat. It's a true sensory delight. Maintaining the winter retreat vibe. To maintain your luxurious winter retreat vibe, keep clutter at bay and refresh your textiles regularly. A tidy space enhances feelings of calm and sophistication, ensuring your sanctuary remains pristine. Rotate your throw pillows and blankets to keep things fresh and interesting throughout the season. Small changes can prevent the space from feeling stagnant, maintaining that inviting appeal you've worked hard to create. Thank you for joining us on Decorio Studio. We hope these tips inspire you to transform your living room into a beautiful winter haven. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.